Yeah, let's begin with a breaking update that is now coming right ahead of the crucial Wayanad bypoll, the elections that are to take place. Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan seems to have made a big allegation. Now, in a Facebook post on social media, he's claimed that the Congress candidate Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is contesting a bypoll with the support of Jamaat-e-Islami, a political Islamist organization. The Kerala Chief Minister's comment comes days after the Welfare Party, a political outfit linked to the Jamaat-e-Islami, has extended its support to Priyanka Gandhi, who is contesting against the left Satyan Mukherjee and BJP's Navya Haridas. Now, Pinarayi Vijayan says that this link exposes the secular phase of the Congress party. Now, this is not happening for the first time. As far as Nyamika is also joining us this morning. Good morning to you, Nyamika. Ever since, even when Rahul Gandhi decided to contest again from Wayanad, his own leaders from the India bloc had opposed it. And it seems that the Chief Minister of Kerala seems to be doing, what is the Jamaat-e-Islami link that he seems to be talking here? Nyamika.
Well, indeed, as we have seen that how during the time when Rahul Gandhi was contesting the elections from the Wayanad constituency, at that particular time also we have seen that how the left parties had opposed his candidature from this particular constituency, and once again the manner in which this attack is coming in on the part of the Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan against Priyanka Gandhi as well as the Congress party in particular, we have seen that how he is slamming the Congress party, saying that the manner in which Jamaat-e-Islami has extended the support to the Congress party's candidate Priyanka Gandhi Vadra in the Wayanad bypolls, this shows and exposes the secular face of the Congress party, as he has also challenged Priyanka Gandhi Vadra that if there is the secular mindset of the Congress party, if they follow the ideology of secularism, they should also oppose this move which is being taken on the part of Jamaat-e-Islami, as he has also slammed the Congress party for not making any kind of comment or making any kind of statement regarding this entire matter, as he has also given an example of the Jammu Kashmir elections, as well as he has said that the Jamaat-e-Islami is not a secular party, as he has also mentioned that they are completely against any kind of democratic governance, and that was clearly been seen during the Jammu Kashmir Assembly elections as well, because they were not in favor of such kind of elections, and they had also contesting the polls on which they had they fielded their candidates on 3 to 4 seats, but their major focus was upon that particular seat where the left was contesting, as he has also said that the extremists and the BJP were having the same kind of intention, and that was the only reason why the Jamaat-e-Islami was focusing on one particular seat in Jammu Kashmir where the left parties were contesting. So for that reason, he is also mentioning it clearly that it is upon the Congress party to expose and the Jamaat-e-Islami's intentions, and they can also reject the manner in which the Jamaat-e-Islami has extended its support to the Congress party if they really believes in the secularism of our country.
But Nyamika,